everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the problem the taskbar is not hiding on full screen on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will be opening first the task manager window. So please go click on your taskbar, make a right click on that, click on task manager option, and then please open your task manager. So here, all you need to do is just to go restart a option, but you can also do another way to open the task manager. Simply make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on this task manager option. So once you have already opened this task manager window, all you need to do is just to go over in the app section or background processes option. And once you found this Windows Explorer option, all you need to do is just to make a double click, make a right click and then click on this restart button here, and then once you do that, it will automatically refresh and restart the Windows Explorer or File Explorer in your device. And once you close this window, make a quick restart with the device, it will automatically just fix your problem, and your taskbar will now be hiding in your full screen on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, and if you learned something from this video, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.